Hi there. This is SpaceX Starship Updates. As a preparations for serial number 9 12.5 kilometers altitude flight test, landing pad were cleared. Debris from SN8 crash landing were moved out of the pad. The forward flap of the SN8 nose cone were removed first, and the nose cone itself is crashed further and loaded into the truck. This marked the end of SN8 existence on the landing pad. SN45 Raptor engine was delivered to Starship Assembly Building. Dismantling work on SN6 and Starship Mark 1 continues. On January 9th, SpaceX team attempted second round of static fire test on the SN9, however the test was scrubbed due to some unknown issue in the vehicle. On January 12th, SpaceX team re-attempted for second static fire test, however it was once more scrubbed. Next day on January 13th, SpaceX team once more notified Boca Chica resident for the static fire test. This time it was success. SpaceX teams incredibly performed 3 static fire tests on the same day. All came out to be a success. Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX, tweeted after completion of 2 static fire tests on the day. Today at SpaceX is about practicing Starship engine starts. Ship is held down by massive pins while engines are fired. 2 starts completed, about to try a third. Finally, after completion of 3 static fire tests, the CEO once more tweeted. All 3 static fires completed and no RUDs. With the success of 4 static fire tests in total, the 12.5 kilometers altitude flight test is very likely to occur within next few days. This is the great event everybody cannot wait for. This time the 12.5 kilometers flight test is more likely to be successful because the methane header tank will be pressurized by helium and landing burn should be strong enough to slow down vehicle to safely land on landing pad. In the high bay, the SN10 aft flaps were installed, adding 1 more fully assembled Starship. With this, the 2 fully assembled Starship SN9 and SN10 is likely to be on the pad, which shall be one of the mind-blowing scene. This will occur when SN10 rolls out to pad A before SN9 takeoff for 12.5 kilometers flight test. Finally, let me take you through some of the beautiful Starship designs. The Twitter link for artists and creators for those designs are in the video description. If you like our video, please do subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.